What's up, mi gente? Today we're back and we're gonna be making some pizza snacks. All you're gonna need is some flatbread, some ricotta cheese, mozzarella, pepperonis if you'd like, and some homemade vodka sauce. Let's get into it. First, we'll start by laying out our flatbreads before applying our sauce. Now time to spread. Now it's time for some ricotta cheese, if you'd like, of course. Doesn't have to be applied evenly, just a few. So this is how mine looks. And now it's time for mozzarella. And some more, because who cannot have enough mozzarella? And that's more like it. And these are fresh out of the oven. Take a look at these. This is a perfect after-school snack for your kids or for yourself. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and share it with a friend. Until next time.